Hello and welcome back to OJS for Editors. In the last lesson we saw how the copy editor downloaded a copy of the submission, edited in Microsoft Word, uploaded the revised version, and notified her and the section editor. That covers steps 1 and 2 of the copy editing workflow, and in this lesson we'll watch the author and copy editor complete the final 2 steps. We'll see the author review the copy editor's revisions and respond to her questions. Then we'll see how Kaigiso makes the final changes, removes the comments, and sends the fully copy-edited manuscript to the layout editing stage. So let's watch now how the author, Fatima, makes the final revisions to her paper in Microsoft Word and uploads them via OJS. Joe, over to you.
The author's process mirrors the steps taken by the copy editor. You'll recall that at the end of the last module, Kaise used OJS to email Fatima, informing her that she had copy-edited her submission. When Fatima opens this email, she'll see a manuscript URL, which she can click to easily go to the submission page in OJS once she is logged in. She should be on the editing page, which is accessible via the link along the top of the page. Note that the copy editing instructions we saw in the last module are linked on the author's page as well, so that the author can review these while they're in OJS. Fatima downloads the marked up copy of her manuscript under Initial Copy Edit. She then opens it in Word. To see the revisions and comments made by Kaisa, she needs to click Track Changes in the Review tab. As we saw in the last module, if Kaisa added text, it appears underlined and in colored font. If she deleted something, it appears in colored font with a line through it. And if she had a question or comment for the author, it appears underlined and within square brackets. If Fatima accepts the added text, she can simply leave it as is. She also makes sure to reply to all queries from the copy editor in a separate set of square brackets. Once she's done, Fatima saves the file. She then goes back to OJS where she can upload it under Author Copy Edit. She then notifies the copy editor by clicking the mail icon, which takes her to a form email. She can make changes to this email if she wishes, and then simply click Send to notify Kaisa that the manuscript is ready for the final round of copy editing.
Now we'll switch perspectives and see how Kaigiso wraps up the copy editing process and sends the article to layout editing.
At this stage, Kaisa needs to download the file under Author Copy Edit and review the changes and comments. In the Review tab in Word, she uses the Accept button in the Changes box to accept revisions. The comments in square brackets need to be removed, which she can do either by highlighting and deleting them, or by using the Reject button in the Changes box in the Review tab. Once these tasks are complete, she saves the file, goes back to OJS, and uploads it under Final Copy Edit. She then notifies Kapui, the section editor, by clicking the letter icon and sending the automatically generated email.
And that's it for the copy editing process for a submission in OJS. It's now ready to be sent for layout editing by Kapui, the section editor, which will be the topic of our next lesson. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ilele lo benela yeah. Ilele lo benela